Based on the given standard electrode potential values, we need to choose the displacement reaction which doesn't take place. This can be explained on the basis of the equation E naught cell will be equal to E cathode minus E anode. The feasibility of the reaction can be explained on the basis of electrode potential value. When the electrode potential value of a cell is greater than 0, the reaction will be feasible. Now let's come to the first option here. Iron is replacing copper from copper sulfate solution. Here iron is acting as the anode and copper is acting as the cathode. The final answer will be 1.24 volt. In the second reaction, zinc is replacing iron from iron sulfate solution and the value of electrode potential can be written as minus 0.44 minus 0.76, which is equal to 0.32 volt. Here zinc is acting as the anode and iron is acting as the cathode. In the third reaction, silver is replacing copper from copper sulfate solution. Here silver is acting as the anode and copper is acting as the cathode. So here the E naught cell value will be minus 0.46 volt. In the last reaction, zinc is acting as the anode and copper is acting as the cathode. So the value can be written as 1.1 volt. So from these options, we can see E naught cell value is less than 0 in the third reaction, means this reaction is not feasible under this condition. Other reactions are feasible, means iron can displace as copper from copper sulfate solution, zinc can displace as iron from iron sulfate solution, and zinc can displace as copper from copper sulfate solution. But silver is less reactive than copper, which cannot displace copper from copper sulfate solution. So this reaction is not feasible. So option C is the correct answer.